talk about the Azure resources, why they are important in real cloud environment. So in Microsoft, the Azure resources can be accidentally modified or deleted, which can cause a serious issue, especially in the production system. So to solve this issue, Azure provides locks, which add a protection layer on top of your resources. So what makes lock powerful? I mean, it can be applied at a different level. Subscriptions, we can do it in the subscription. I mean the main subscription, or maybe the resource group. For instance, I would like to show you here in a resource group, and also in an individual group inside the resource group. So to give you to gives this let's say gives us flexible control depending on how much protection we need. So assume that we have this resource group, and to add the lock, we can go to setting and click here lock. And look here, let's see, no delete. And there are two types of looks, read only or maybe delete. Let's see, no delete. So look, it means add, no one can delete this. So I will just click here. No, let me go to the demo resource group, and here I can delete the resource group. Let's try. I will add it demo resource group. And this resource group is let's just try to delete. And you can see here it gives us an error. This resource group demo is locked and can be deleted. To delete any resource group, we have to delete the lock. Let's try here. So we can see here how many looks do we have. We have one look, and if I delete this one here, and then try to delete the resource group, it will be deleted. And by the way, deleting a resource group, it will delete any resource inside this resource group. So let's delete this. And if you are not familiar with this, I have a playlist. Delete. You can see here it's permanently added. So you can see deleting the resource group. It should be deleted. I can just go back to the resource group. And till here, let me just refresh. Yeah, deleted. That's it. And next time I will try to show you how to do this in a CLI format. Thanks for watching and see you next time.